फाइनली मैं टेस्ला के शोरूम में आ ही गई एंड दिस शोरूम इज लोकेटेड इन चिंगदाओ सिटी ऑफ चाइना एंड हियर यू हैव दिस मॉडल 3 प्लस the doors open sideways.
标序版的话是24.9千元，然后咱们的常上版本是29.900，那么高性能版本是35.4千元。
And the price of this is 232,000 yuan. So you can actually convert into your currency if you want to check out the price. And there is one more over here, which is Tesla Model Y, and this is like space gray in color. And here also the doors open on the sides. The seats are black. When we saw the first car, the seats were absolutely white in color. And yes, this is how it looks from inside. And here the seats can be flattened down and you can actually convert it into a bed, and yes, you can have a good nap or sleep in the car itself. And this is Model Y. No, it is not Model Y, it is Model X. And this is absolutely white in color. And it has like the doors opening up face. This also seems to be very spacious car. And here also, I guess the seats can be pushed in front to convert it into a bed. I think I'll ask him to get some more information. But this is bigger than the other two which I showed you. One of these Tesla cars is definitely going to be my car in the future.